The foreign exchange market, FOREX or FX for short. As the largest financial market in the world, it offers many benefits for traders. Firstly, it's the ability to go long or short, which means you can speculate on both rising and falling markets. If your prediction is right, you'll make a profit. If you're wrong, you make a loss. Second, trading times. You can trade Forex 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This means you can trade whenever is best for you and take advantage of different active sessions. Thirdly, liquidity. Lots of buyers and sellers in the Forex market means transactions are completed quickly and easily, so the transaction costs are often very low. With IG, you'll get some of the lowest spreads in the market. Then there's volatility. Forex trading is synonymous with high volatility, which creates lots of opportunities for profit. You can speculate on short-term price movements as well as long-term trends. Then there's leverage. Leverage means that you only need a small deposit, called a margin, to get access to a much larger market exposure. While this can mean bigger profits, it's important to remember that losses will be magnified too. There are also tax benefits. Spread betting and CFD trading on Forex can offer significant tax benefits as you don't take ownership of the underlying currencies. In the UK, both spread betting and CFD trading are free of stamp duty. There's no capital gains tax for spread bets, while with CFDs you can offset losses against profits for tax purposes. 7. Variety. Forex trading gives you the opportunity to trade a wide variety of currency pairs. With IG, you can trade over 90 currency pairs from a single account, including major, minor, emerging and exotic pairs. Next, hedging. A technique that can be used to protect against losses. You can offset risk in one position by placing a trade that will turn a profit if the first one produces a loss. And finally, trading tools. You can get access to a range of features designed to help improve your Forex trading, including risk management tools such as stops and limits, as well as interactive charts and integrated news feeds. To learn more about Forex trading, hit subscribe or visit IG.com.